Hey guys, Happy New Year. For those of you who are doing our challenge with us, we start next week on Monday. I'll give you a couple pointers on our sliders. Not hamburger sliders, but we have sliders with our program to work your glutes really good, your arms, your whole full body. They come with these coating things, like the material on these on here. That's for the tile and hardwood floors. I have carpet in my workout room, so I'm going to take these off. If you don't take them off, I'm going to slide it off. It's going to be really, really challenging. So pop those off. And the important thing to remember is most exercises require toes to be on the slider. See my heels on the ground, toes on it. So when you're sliding forward, you gotta make sure you practice a little bit. Don't go full forward all the way out at once because you might slip. So kind of go forward, hold your core nice and tight until you feel that stretch, heel down, and pop back up again. It's one of the workouts. You're gonna go forward, heel down in the front, knee down, and back up again. It's really important to have nice control. Otherwise, you're gonna be doing a split both ways, and that's not gonna be pretty. So I'll show you the other leg. Forward, heel down, and slide back in. Woo! They are challenging. They do slip a lot, so you gotta really keep your core engaged nice and tight. Down, and back up again. There are gonna be some ones where you use your heels in the sliders. I'll show you. Like laying down. Hope you can see this. You're gonna lift your glutes up and slide your heel out and back down. Make sure you have a really good grip on the floor with the other heel that's supporting you. So you don't go sliding out either. So heel out and back. This is an awesome glute workout. I am so sore from my workout I did last Saturday still. My legs and my glutes are on fire, so it's gonna be good stuff. All right guys, it's not too late to start with this. We start on Monday, the 8th. So let me know as soon as possible so I get you in our group. Don't go buy your own sliders. They come with the program, they come with the loops. You'll get everything you need to start with us on the new year. Workouts are from home. It's going to be an awesome program, you guys. It's brand new, 80 days long. You'll have access to the program for the whole entire year. So I'm looking forward to it, you guys. All right, have a great, happy new year. Bye, guys.